Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Checking out a new backpacking chair from Edeuoey. Edeuoey. Not really sure how to pronounce the name. Sorry. They contacted me through email and they asked me to check it out. And naturally I told them I would, but I told them I was actually interested in the table, not so much the chair. But they sent me the chair. But I will still check it out because I'm a man who likes his comfort. And the chair is probably one of the ultimate in outdoor comforts, at least for me personally. I think I dropped a carabiner. No, it came with one. So I actually just saw my buddy Harshman Hills do a video on this chair. And you know what's really nice about these chairs is because they're compact weight and size, you could just drop it behind the seat of your car, any car, and you know, you have a chair. And you know, I can't tell you how many times I've gone to picnics, barbecues, sporting. You know, I've gone to, you know, watch the what is it, demo derby, and you know, there's nowhere to sit unless you want to sit on the ground, which I don't like sitting on the ground. It's not comfortable. So it's got a nice frame. I just don't think I've ever sat in a chair of this style before, but let's get over the grass and let's set it up and have a seat. So I will give a piece of advice when you're putting this chair together. When you do it, at least I have found that if you connect the bottom first, which has got this little pocket here that the leg goes into, so it's pretty easy to assemble. Okay, maybe it's being, of course it has to keep slipping off because it's just friendly like that. Okay, got it all together. Now the back is, the mesh is for the back. So if you're putting it together, don't struggle like I did. So learn from my mistakes. Unfortunately, this thing has a max weight of 230, and I'm not 230, which is why I originally asked for the table. But we're gonna give it a try. See what happens. Huh, it's actually pretty comfortable. It's not too shabby at all, really. Give you a nice little bit of back support while you're sitting. Be good for fishing. Would be good for sporting events. Gonna go watch your kid play softball. I mean, camping, of course. Any kind of outdoor activities. You just want to sit down for a while. Yeah, not too bad at all. I think it said it was 1.9 pounds. Let me get the instructions real quick. Now you notice when I sit down that I don't just drop into it. I, you know, make sure I sit carefully. And I do that with all my chairs so they don't wear out as fast. So, yeah, by the way, once I figured out that the mesh was the back, it went together like instantly. Well, not instantly, but much better. Yeah, 199 pounds. It's aluminum alloy. Keep away from fire, I can tell you that for sure, because my Flexlight chair has holes in it. Never let infants in this chair alone. Loading limit loading weight 230 pounds. Max shock test is 198 pounds. So that probably means you've been dropping into it, which, as you can see, I wouldn't drop into it, but Cool. It's actually pretty comfortable. You know, it's nice being able to sit down too, I tell you that. Real nice being able to sit down. Always a big fan of comfort in woods. Alright, well, all the links for Amazon will be down below. I might link Hartman Hill's video as well. And I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.